Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can adjust your auto velocity on CapCut. So super simple. You are going to select your video and you are going to find style. Make sure you update your app though, so select your video, select style, and you are going to select auto velocity like usual. To adjust it to your liking, you're just going to select the adjust button again and select, drag the button and adjust the interval between the two beats. Maybe you want it to be at 1 second, so adjust it and just select this arrow going down, and it's going to generate the auto velocity again for you. And as you can see, the interval is slower. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!